Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't leave without subscribing, and to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for the support. This tiny grains right here is known as fonio, or it is also known as hungry rice in some quarters, and in Nigeria it is popularly called acha. This tiny grains here is of the millet family, and it is nutrient packed. It is packed with plant-based amino acids. It is gluten free. If you're looking to maintain a very healthy diet, this is definitely one grain you should add to your pantry. Now today I will be putting together a very simple, healthy, delicious recipe with this. If you want to see, sit back, relax and enjoy. These are some of the ingredients I'll be using. I'll be using red bell peppers, grey bell peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, garlic and ginger, some onions and spring onions, and here I have just gone ahead to chop them and I'll just get ready to cook. So to a clean pot, I'll add in 2 cups of water. Now it is important you measure the water you use in cooking acha. You'll see why in a bit. So I'll just cover that and bring that to a boil, and once that boils, I'll add in some oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice, but here I am using some olive oil and a tiny little bit of seasoning. If you want, you can add some salt at this point. So I'll now go in with a cup of acha or fonio. Now 2 cups of water to a cup of fonio. You have to really take measurements seriously because this thing rises like no man's business. So I'll just put that to set that in another burner and continue to stir and go ahead to prepare other ingredients. So here I'll be frying my fish. I just added some olive oil and then some fish. So all I'm doing there is salting the fish with, of course, a tiny amount of salt. So while that is frying, the acha was cooked, and I'll just go ahead and fluff it up so it doesn't clump. So I'll fluff it off and then set it aside and finish with the other ingredients I am preparing. Once the fish is well fried, I'll take it out of the oil and set it aside. Now to that oil, I'll add in a little more, just enough to saute all the ingredients that I have. Now once that is hot enough, I'll add in my chopped onions and fry it until it is translucent. Once that is translucent, I'll add in the Scotch bonnet pepper and add in the minced garlic and ginger as well. So I'll just add all of that together and mix that until it is just fried and it begins to release its flavor and aroma. So I'll just fry that couple of minutes. Next, I will add in the red and the green bell peppers and just give that a good stir until it is just fried. So after adding it, I'll just keep stirring that. Then I remembered I had sweet corn in the house, and I think why not? So I added in the sweet corn, and I'll just mix everything together and continue to stir fry this until it is just fried. So I'll begin to season. I've added in some curry, I'll add in some thyme and some seasoning powder. Now I'll mix all of that together so that it is well combined. So I'll just continue to stir that around until it is well combined. Now I am just tasting for seasoning, and I am happy with the seasoning, so I'll add in the acha, the cooked acha or fonio now. Please, if you like what you see, my people, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. I beg you. I really want to grow this channel, and I can't do that without your help. So please help me grow this channel. Subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, like my videos, and leave me comments. So please, let's interact in the comments section. Thank you. So I'll continue to stir that until it is well combined. Then I'll taste for seasoning. And I was happy with the seasoning, so I'll just add in the spring onions now and give that final stir, and it is as good as ready. I'll just continue to stir fry that until it is well combined and it is ready. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course leave me a comment. Thank you. Now it is ready. I'll just go ahead and plate and enjoy. So if you ever try this recipe, or you know fonio, or you've eaten it before, please leave it in the comment section. Let's interact there. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.